All right, here we have several cases for the Google Pixel Fold. As you can tell, I've already tried a couple, and there's 2 more I haven't opened yet. So let's start with the Pixel Fold case first. All right, here is my new Pixel Fold. And as much as I do like the looks of this with no case on, it's still an $1,800 phone, so I'm gonna put a case on it. This is the Google Fold case, which I bought directly from Google. It was probably overpriced, but I needed to get a case quickly, and this was coming in. I've had some bad experiences with Google cases in the past. Sometimes they've been really good, and sometimes they've been really bad. I don't have the bad one here with me, but one of the good ones in the past were these kind of fabric ones, and they seem to be pretty good. Hopefully this is a good case and not a bad case. You know, we won't know until we dig a little deeper into it. I'm gonna clean up the existing phone, shine it up there real nice. This is a good, I do like the design language of Google, it's pretty good. The Google Pixel case, I think this was called Hazel. So you can see it's kind of grayish looking, a little too smooth for my liking. That might be slippery. It is, you know, bendable here, but still a decent hardness. It has these little sticky strips in there. That's kind of how the Samsung ones work. Generally the Samsung cases, I've had the Fold 3 and 4, and the cases seem to work pretty good. Like I never really have any problems with these cases falling off. So hopefully the Pixel Fold won't be any different. So you pull these little stickers off. In there is a little, you see that? So it's kind of fuzzy here, but then in there in that corner, and there's a little black, you can sort of see that corner is black. There's a little sticky piece there. And so I'm just gonna slap it right on. It does not snap. Again, kind of rubbery feeling. Don't love it. Same thing here. When you take this one off, there you go. You can see it there. It's kind of black and sticky. So there's the case on. There's the front. It does give you a little bit of a lip. So again, fresh out the box, I don't like the feel of it, and it does look a little weird here. But it's also, it doesn't have, you know, finger oils and stuff on it, so maybe it'll get better. Let's go ahead and test it with wireless charging. I imagine it should work fine. It may actually work better because with the weird camera hump, it didn't sit nicely on the wireless charger, but now it does because the case sort of smooths it out. There's still like a little bit of a lip here to protect the camera bump. Can't really see it, but you can feel it if you run your finger across it. You know, it has little holes there, and of course the buttons. I do like this part, how there's cut out so you can actually hit the buttons, right? And on the bottom, you got plenty of room to get to the case. I do like that. On some of the Samsung Fold cases, they didn't leave enough cutout for the USB-C port. So good job, Google, there, making plenty of room there. And maybe once this gets a little more fingerprinty oils in it, it won't be that, I don't know. I don't like that feeling, but just got it today, so we'll give some thoughts on it. So far, I mean, it seems like a solid case. Touch, feelings, personal preference, right? Anyhow, we'll see. So I absolutely hate this case. Just the texture, I don't like that. It feels like, I don't know, like a bad, like a worn out rubber item. And I hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. I put that on last night. It is now 7:15 p.m. the next day, and I didn't even use this phone all day because I was working, so I do not like it. So again, very subjective, of course. That's my personal preference, but I did not like the feel of this case, and I won't be using it, so screw you, case. I hate this case. Hate, hate, hate. Don't like it. Very subjective, personal preference, but I do not like the feel of this material. Don't like it, so that's getting a big thumbs down for me. The next one I used is this fashion case. I don't know. I ordered this case, love phone, love life, and I thought it was going to be leather, but it seems to be just like a fake, maybe there's a little bit of leather, fake leather, I guess. It's also just like a plastic shell, like the Google case. And a lot of the Samsung cases have like a little sticker. Like see that black there is a sticker kind of guy, but this guy doesn't have that. It just kind of snaps on, I guess. Which is fine. I mean, really, I don't know those stickers even do anything, but yeah, sounds pretty good. All right, let me give this one a shot and see how well I like it. Spoiler alert, though, I don't love the phone, but we'll see. Maybe this case will make it grow on me. And it is just a hard plastic shell. And interesting enough, it doesn't have the little sticky guys like all of them have the stickies. And this is the case that I used the most. I was planning on cycling through these, but then I got this one. I just really liked it. So I've been using this one the whole time I've had it. It definitely gets a big thumbs up. Now we have another fashion case. It looks like carbon fiber. It has a little bit of texture. I'm sure it's not really carbon fiber, but either way, same deal, just snaps right on. So I'd had to use it a little bit more. I do like the looks of it. It looks very cool. It reminds me of old Moto Droid phones that had that cool carbon fiber look. Pretty unobtrusive in the front. It has a lip, so you can lay it face down, no problem. There's a slight lip on the camera, so you can set it down as well. And of course, the best is the buttons are open there, so you can get to them just fine. And nothing too obtrusive from the front view, right? That bezel's pretty big, but that's just how it's gonna be with the Pixel Fold. This one was sold as like a fake leather thing, and I really can't tell if it really is a leather, or it's like a D brand sticker type thing, so it's very thin, but I like that one a lot. Which makes me think that but I would really like my next one. Here is the Folu case. Folu, I don't know. This one also is supposed to be a faux leather case. This one has its own little detachable stickers, but as I've learned from my other case, you really don't need them. Oh, this one's very different. It has like padding inside here. This is a nice case, and that does feel like actual leather. Like this one, I mean, I like this case, but it's nowhere near the same as this. Like, I don't know if it's real leather or fake leather, but yeah, these cases just snap right on. I like that a lot, actually. Oh, there's a little bit of padding there too, so if you kind of dropped it, it would probably protect it. And there's definitely an indent and lip there for the camera bump, and of course on the main screen there's a little bit of lip there too, so if you put it down it also should be fine. And yeah, you don't need those little sticker guys, so which is an interesting thing to note about the Pixel Fold, because I have the Samsung Fold. It also has those little sticker things, and you can see they're all like peeling off here, which is annoying, but I really think you don't need them, because maybe the Pixel's just better in that regard, that they stay on without the stickers, because it is annoying when you change cases on the Samsung and the stickers come off, whereas these don't have stickers, so I like that. I'm pretty sure all these cases will work with wireless charging. Well, let's just double check right quick. So here is the prettiest one, the brown leather one. Changes color so you know it's charging just fine. And then let's use the carbon fiber. Really don't need to change the front case for this, but I think there's no reason this wouldn't charge. Yeah. Oh, well, it's 100% charging. That's why it went color. I see. So it went green for a second. Yeah, so we're charging, but we're 100%. So it should turn green. Yeah, so it's good. I know this one actually definitely works, and the Google one works fine as well. So yeah, I've used this one plenty of time. This is the one I used the whole time I had the phone. So that's pretty good. In the interest of full disclosure, I am not keeping the Google Pixel Fold. I prefer the Samsung Fold. But the time I had it, my least favorite was the Pixel Fold case for sure. I hated that case. I bought all these cases, planning on trying them all, and then I tried this one, and I liked it so much I just left it on there. Had I tried this one, I would probably like it as well. It's the thinnest of all the cases. And these are big phones, of course, so if you're looking about the thinnest phone you can get, then for the Pixel Fold, this is probably the way to go right here. But if I was keeping this, I would be using this case right here, because this is very nice. I mean, it's still hard, but there is a little bit of, padding, like a felt strip there. That was just my knuckle making damages there. And there is, you can see like indents some there. So yeah, big thumbs up for that case. All right, thanks.